This is Ricky from Builderoo, and I'm here today at Dwell on Design here in LA. And I'm here with Cindy from Axor, a subsidiary of Hansgrohe. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got started with the company?
Sure. My name is Cindy Welsh. I'm the National Sales Manager. I've been with the company for 10 years. I actually used to work in a showroom that sold plumbing faucets and plumbing fixtures. Hansgrohe is a 108-year-old company based in Schiltach, Germany. We do have subsidiaries in 16 different countries, one being in the USA. We do manufacture some products in the USA and employ people locally to keep jobs in the United States. Axor is the designer brand of the Hansgrohe company, where we work exclusively with some of the world's top designers. They are ranked in the top 25 globally. People like Philippe Starck, Antonio Citterio, Jean-Marie Masseau, Phoenix Design Group.
That's interesting. Can you tell us a little bit about the products and how, what are some of their features?
Some of the differences? Well, each designer, when they're creating a collection for us, have a design inspiration and a story behind it. This one particular is designed by Antonio Citterio. It's based off a neoclassical design, more luxury appeal to it. This one is designed by Jean-Marie Masseau, very nature-inspired, a waterfall sheet that goes into the lave. Everything with the accessories more tied around nature, that tree type of design to it.
Yeah, and can you share with us which ones of these products have a sustainability aspect to them?
Sure. Any faucet, as you see here, that is not a waterfall, which is about 90% of our lave or bath faucets, are green, as we changed out all the aerators to a 1.5 gallon per minute, which gives a consumer about 30% water savings every time they use their lave.
All right, and where are these products commonly found? Are they mostly in commercial or residential buildings?
Good question. We actually sell our products both for commercial projects and also residential, including hospitality with certain chains like Marriott and Hilton. We sell our products through local distributors who sell to plumbers, architects, designers, and end consumers. So we do go through a trade channel to sell our products.
All right, and what's the price range, may I ask?
Axor is actually our luxury brand, so the price point is higher end than most other manufacturers, based upon the fact that we offer the best design and also the best quality with German engineering. We do have another brand called Hansgrohe, which is more for the mass market. That can range, a bath faucet can range from $200 up to $500. So we do cover all different price points and different styles based upon the consumer's demands.
That's cool. So is there anything new coming for the company? Any new products that are entering the market, or is there any interesting news?
Well, we are working with our first female designer next year, which is new for us, and she's very hot in Spain. Her name is Patricia Urquiola, and it's another nature-inspired design, but that's a new collection for us. This year we also came out with a shower system by Philippe Starck, which is complete flexibility in the shower, really different whole valve configuration to allow the consumer to freedom of range and choice in how they want to design their shower.
Are aerators used in the shower heads?
There are aerators. There are aerators and shower heads. All shower heads by federal law have to be at 2.5 gallons per minute. Some of our shower heads, we have changed the aerator to have it function at 1.6 gallons per minute and some at 1.75 gallons per minute, which can give a homeowner about 30% water savings as well. A difference in our technologies, we use air in our shower heads, and air injection actually mixes 3 parts air with 1 part water, which gives the consumer a larger volume of water, retains the heat a little bit more, and coats the skin, and also increases the pressure. So although it's at 1.6 or 1.7, it feels like it functions like a 2.5.
Do these aerators meet the needs of some of the new legislation that is coming up regarding energy standards?
We are a WaterSense partner, so they do meet WaterSense, yes.
So Cindy, can you tell me a little about the products here and their respective designers?
Sure. Absolutely. This collection over here is designed by Philippe Stark, one of the first designers we worked with back in '94. The first faucet there was designed by the old-fashioned hand pump with a little feather handle to offer a little bit different design. And as you can see, it blended into the widespread. He actually redesigned it. Philippe Stark is all about minimalism, less is more. So smaller cartridge, more elegant design. And later he came out with Axor Stark X, which is actually more design and more water with the sheet of water from a waterfall. This is Antonio Citterio. This is his first collection, more based off of neoclassical luxury, sharp reflective surfaces, which nobody had ever done before in plumbing manufacturing, mixture of crosses and lever handles as well, but sharp reflective surfaces, creating a little more elegant style. His latest collection is called Axor Citterio M, based upon the fact that more and more people are moving back into the city in more of a loft atmosphere, which is where you have smaller spaces. So this is the smallest cartridge we've worked with. His whole design was basically a pebble molded from the water and cut it in half to off the sharp reflective surfaces on the top, but you had a molded thing to mold to your hand on the lav faucet. Next was Jean-Marie Masseau, which everything was inspired by nature, more of like a pebble or stone molded in the water with an imprint for you to turn your faucet on or off, and a sheet of waterfall.
Well, thank you for your time.
Oh, you're welcome.
This is Ricky here at Builderoo TV. Thanks for watching us today. This is Builderoo, making green easy.